Hello, today I want to show you how you can record internet radio. First go to streamripper.sourceforge.net, small typo there, not .com.net, and from there you will get your main piece of software that will enable you to practically rip audio from the internet. Under download Streamripper, just download the software. We're on SourceForge. I propose you're using Windows, so we're gonna get the Windows installer. Just wait a second, we're on a virtual machine here. On my system it'll take a little longer. Download itself will be a little bit quicker though, and after you downloaded it you will just have to open this file. Yes, save. Downloads quick, should be under 1 megabyte. Then open, run, install. So we won't use the Winamp plugin here, and the GUI application will be for Winamp only. I didn't figure out how to use it standalone. Install it somewhere. Program files Streamripper will do, even though we'll run into a little problem later. And from there on we'll now look into the folder we just installed the program to. Program files, Streamripper. There it is, and that's the contents that was installed. Here's the GUI. Together with Winamp it will do a pretty good job actually. Here are the options. There is some way to get it running just like that, but it won't for me. So it's gotta be deactivated separately. And that's the actual application we're going to use, but it's a command line thing, so we'll just go to start run cmd, a little bit fast here. So here we will just go to the directory we installed to. cd blank ... will take us one directory up, and we will you can use autocomplete with the tab button, and if we just execute the streamripper.exe, it will give us some command line options that we can use. Actually it's simple, streamripper.exe and then blank stream will rip a stream. Since stream it's not a valid URL or something, we can't rip a stream just like that. So we will have to get some streams. Where we're going to get them, like Winamp services, we can use Shoutcast, but it will be a little bit difficult without an appropriate program. So I'll just show you how you can get your streams through Shoutcast. It's a pretty good service and web-based. So here you can browse through hot topics or genre-based. I like metal. So for example you can here go and look at all the metal Shoutcast streams that are online, like Chronic Aggression. There was also shown what was playing right now, so you can actually like choose by favorite bands and stuff like that. And here's the Chronic Aggression homepage. Now Chronics has 3 channels, Aggression is one of them, and you can go for something like Listen Now to tune in. So this will actually open a little Windows Media Player plugin, but as you can see I wasn't able to get something useful out of the information that I was getting there. Properties and statistics didn't get me anything useful for the Streamripper itself. So we are going to use another open source application here, which a lot of people are familiar with, the VLC video player, videolan.org. Here again we are going to download, and we're still on a Windows machine, so we're gonna get the Windows version. A little bit confusing here, just get a mirror near yourself and download the software. Automatic downloads, a wonderful thing. Just save it and open it. I'm cheating a little bit here, I just skipped the downloading process in the video. And open it, run it, we'll install it too. English will be fine for me. Next, you might want to customize those options here. I'll just leave it like that. Maybe the file type associations will be not appropriate for your system. Just tweak around what might be good for your system, and just run the media player. So now in VLC we'll have two important things. Next screen here. So that's the main GUI. We'll just open the playlist. Looks a little bit different than in the former versions. And then under playlist additional sources, you can get your shoutcast radio listings. These are pretty neat. Bam! Now a big list of possible genres. Just choose what you like, and now we're gonna go to something else. We'll go to the 80s. A double click would open the first available stream. I did a little mistake here. We just want to expand, and from here on you can just expand more and more different kinds of streams and like directories actually. And here what sounded good was Chaos Radio, whatever. There I clicked on information, which was not so good because it doesn't hold the information I needed. Double click will expand again, and then we will have different servers. And now we can get information down there, HTTP. That's what we want. That is our stream. We can copy that. And now, yes, we don't have any sound anyway on the virtual machine. Now go to the command line, and now we can replace stream by pasting that, and I'll get another command line argument here, -d space, and the target directory will tell Streamripper to rip the audio into that directory, and voila. We're now ripping radio. I'll show you this on the file system. Here under disk C, radio, and sorted by radio channel. Here is an incomplete folder where incomplete tracks will be in. Streamripper will actually cut automatically, but to automate this process we can do something. We can write a little batch file. And instead of typing all that, you can go to mark. And now I do a pretty big mistake here. Two things. Since C program files contains a blank, we'll have to put the whole thing between C and exe into quotes. First thing, and then there is a Streamripper, this little triangle thingy, streamripper.exe. That triangle thingy must be a dash to a slash, sorry. And then this will work. So from then on we just copied the command line we just used, and then you can save it wherever you want it. Just call it whatever you want it, maybe appropriate things if you got a lot of streams that you want to automatically be able to download. You want to give it good names, and since I fluked there on the command line, command was not really good. I'm gonna close that one. This will lead to an error. So thank you very much for listening and watching. Bye bye.